Well, our team identified the need for an integrated platform that spanned science, philosophy, and literature because we wanted to not only inspire the next generation of scientists who will contribute to the biotechnology revolution, we also wanted to inform debates around bioethics and reimagine the public perception of biotechnology. So what we've designed is a week-long residential summer school for students where they will learn about biotechnology, concepts in biology, recent advances and discoveries, alongside creative writing workshops, alongside visits from guest scientists and authors and bioethicists, and hopefully also an experimental project where they will manipulate the expression of a fluorescent protein. So essentially the mission that we are working towards is a future where young people have an awareness around biotechnology, they have an ability to contribute to an informed debate, and also we hope to generate new images for biotechnology that could inspire future researchers, because after all, the flip phone came from Star Trek, robots came from an obscure Russian science fiction play. So we wonder, what could the future of biotechnology look like? It was actually really challenging to come up with the idea because we are based from all over the world. I'm originally from Australia, but I'm working in the UK. Vahap is originally from Turkey, but now he's working in Switzerland. Adriana was in the Netherlands, now she's working in Spain. And David's been between New Zealand and the UK and the US. So we're coordinating over Skype, trying to find times to meet each other and brainstorm ideas. We came up with about 5 different ideas and realized they all kind of shared the theme of public perception and education, so we chose to focus on that gap. But initially we focused on one idea, which is Adriana's idea, a really cool concept of biotech without borders. And for about 2 months we were pursuing different ways to make this work. The concept is kind of like engineers without borders or doctors without borders, but offering opportunities for young, inspired biotechnologists to go to a developing world and try and solve a real-world problem, rather than this perception that they would have to pursue a career in pharmaceuticals or biomedical work. So we pursued this project, we researched different options, we were looking at how you would fund a project, would there be the infrastructure in a developing nation to make this work, and that was all an interesting learning process. In the meantime, one of our other ideas was the Shelley Summer School, and I heard that the Oxford Science Festival was looking for ideas, and I just threw out this idea that we'd already had to see if they were interested, and they loved it. And so then it was quite natural. I gave feedback to these guys saying, hey, here's an opportunity for a pilot project. What do you reckon? Can we develop it? And it went from there, really. I think really the most valuable thing is seeing the other people and meeting people and connecting with people. So maybe it's going out to the pub and sharing a story. Maybe it's seeing someone who is 2 years older than you, who started their own business, and saying like, hey, that is possible, I could do that. Those sorts of personal connections are really powerful, really inspiring, and hopefully they're going to be really helpful as we move forward in the next couple of years. We're looking forward to a pilot project this July at the Oxford Science Festival. So that's going to be a one-day workshop taking our concept and really seeing whether it works in practice. We're also applying for a UK Research Council seed grant, £2,500. The deadline is next Monday, so really excited to apply for that. We also got some really positive feedback from the judges, so we may be approaching them for industry sponsorship over the next couple of months. And also just from all the other people who've been here at the conference, they really like the idea and they wanted to be involved. So we'll be posting on the Facebook group and keeping in touch with everyone. Hopefully they'll be involved with the project.